Hi, in this tutorial I'll show you how to stabilize hand-shotted videos in CapCut for desktop. Let's do it! Alright, I've got this clip in my timeline. Let's check it out a little bit. You can see that the video is all shaky. It was shot without a tripod. And I want to stabilize this image, so I will click on the clip. I will go to the Video tab, Basic subtab. I will scroll down here to Stabilize. Alright, I will click on it. And it offers me 3 stabilizing ways: recommended, minimum cut, and most stable. Let's check this recommended one. Wow, that's so much better. Before, there's no comparison. And after. All right, let's try minimum cut. It's a little bit more shaky, but it's good. And most stable. Okay, it's better, but it cuts more. And that's it. If you like this content and want to support my channel, just hit the join button and become a member. You'll get access to all my videos 1 month ahead. And don't forget to like and subscribe to always get new content. See ya!